composition of the functions. So for the function f a to b and g is the function b to c, the composition function is h from a to c. So here you need to observe that a and b are the two sets, and the f is a function from a to b, and b to c is another function, that is here it is given to you g. Okay, so then from here to here means from f to a to c, the new function will be defined, and that is h a to c. So f and g are together defined as a new function h from a to c. So that is composition of f and g. It is denoted by GOF function. And here the main thing you need to remember that can be written as GOF of x can be written as g of f of x. So here f is the first function, g is the second function. FOG of fx is equals to f of g of x. Here g is the first function and f is the second function. So for the function f from r to r, in the previous you need to remember that here to define any function, f is defined from a to b, g is defined from b to c, and you need to observe that this b and b, so if they are same, the new function a to c is not FOG. The new function a to c is GOF. It is defined as GOF. So this point please concentrate here. Here if you observe that f is a function from real numbers to real number, g is a function from real numbers to real number. So GOF is possible, FOG is may not be possible. So GOF means here how do we find out? See here, g of f of x is equals to g of, as the f of x is equals to x plus 2, this x plus 2 will come here, so in the place of f of x, so this is equals to g of x plus 2. So but g of x is equals to root x now, so that's why this is equals to root x. So g of f of x is equals to under root of x plus 2. This is one explanation. Now how do we get, whether do we get it f circle g or not, you need to see. Before that, actually here whenever you see that f circle means f of g of x to define here, this is composition of the two functions, composition functions, and here compulsorily the first function domain, it's the domain of this function, codomain of this function should be equal. So domain of the f is r, codomain of the c. So here actually if it is the r, then it is defined here. So if it is r given, then it is possible to. So and f of c, f circle g of f is this, these both are not equal. So for these two functions both are equal, because f of x is equals to, let us see here, x square plus 1. How do we get here 2x square plus 1? You need to concentrate here, because g of x is equals to given to you 2x plus 1. G of a means 2a plus 1. G of something means 2 into something plus 1. So here g of something place you are having x square. So 2 into x square plus 1 you will get. Whenever you see that the expansion of the 2x plus 1 whole square, here also they are not equal. Check whether they are equal or not. Observe that how it is solved. These are all some examples. Let us find out g of f of 2. How do we find out g of f of 2? Just in the place of x you need to substitute the 2 after finding that.